Hi boys and girls, Miss Cohn here. Today we are going to learn how to draw a hot air balloon. I can't wait to see what you make, and thanks for watching. Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Cohn here, and today we are going to learn how to draw three-dimensional forms to create a picture of a hot air balloon. Now we're going to be talking about two types of three-dimensional or 3D forms. The first one is a sphere. A sphere is a ball, so anything that's like a ball, maybe it's an orange or a marble or a gumball. Those are all examples of spheres. We're also going to be talking about cylinders, so a toilet paper roll or a jar or even a marker are all examples of cylinders. We're going to be using the cylinder for the basket of the hot air balloon. Let's get started. You're going to need a piece of paper. It can be any kind of paper, lined, plain, doesn't matter. And a pencil, and you might need an eraser if you want to use markers later on. If you want to use colored pencils or crayons to color in your picture, that would be awesome, but really all you need is a pencil and paper. All right, we're going to start by drawing the circle. Now, if it's a little bit tricky for you to draw a circle, I know it can be tricky for me, you can always grab something that's round that you can trace, or you can just try your best. You don't have to make a perfect circle. We'll just try our best here. So I'm going to draw a circle. And this is why it's important to draw lightly and to always try to have an eraser. And that way, if you don't like part of your circle, no problem. Just go back, erase, and redraw. All right, so we've got our circle. We're going to add a little oval underneath our circle. Then we're going to connect parts of the oval to parts of the circle with a curved line on both sides. This is making the basic shape of a hot air balloon. Now we're going to use that eraser. We don't need that bottom part of the circle anymore. All right, it's still looking pretty flat. We want to make it look a little bit more 3D, so we're going to be using curved lines. Now, we're going to start with a straight line down the middle. Notice how it stops right before it gets to the oval. We're going to put curved lines on both sides. It's going to help make our hot air balloon look round. All right, just like that. Next, we're going to add some strings hanging down for the basket. I'm just going to have those connect here. And to draw our cylinder, our basket, we're going to use another oval. We're going to add two straight lines. Now, mine is kind of tilted, maybe like it's blowing in the wind. Yours could be straight, that's fine. And then a curved line to close it up. I'm going to make sure that my strings are attached to my basket so it doesn't blow away. It's got to stay on there somehow. Maybe I need one more string. Let's attach another one here. And then all that's left is to add the details to your background and to add color, and if you're feeling pretty advanced, some shade. So when I'm talking about shade, I mean going from dark to medium to light. That also helps make something look three-dimensional. Dark to medium to light. Now, I use colored pencil here, but you can also add shade with pencil. I'm going to start adding a little bit of my background details though. You're going to add a horizon line. We talked about this a lot. You could use a wavy line if you want it to look like hills, or a zigzag if you want it to be like a mountain. I'm going to do zigzag lines this time. So it looks like my hot air balloon is flying through the mountains. I'm going to add some clouds. Now when I draw clouds, I like to actually draw them with a flat bottom. Maybe I'll draw a cloud that's kind of behind my balloon, but you can draw your clouds however you want to. Maybe you want to add the sun and coming behind your hot air balloon. Maybe it's a nighttime hot air balloon ride and you want to add a moon instead. It is totally up to you. If you want to add designs, you could add circles or hearts or stripes to your hot air balloon. You decide. All right, I'm just going to show you a quick little example of how we do our shading if you want to try the shading. So I'm going to show you how that would look on the basket of a hot air balloon, but notice how I also did shading on the hot air balloon itself. Whether I'm using a pencil or a color pencil, I'll show you with a pencil in case that's what you have. The way we go from dark to light is we change how hard we're pressing with the pencil. So if I want it to look dark, I'm going to press really, really hard. If I want it to look medium, I'm going to press medium hard. And if I want it to look light, I'm going to barely press my pencil to the paper at all. That way I'm going from dark to medium to light. Okay? Same thing with color pencil, same thing with crayon, even if you want to use crayon. Thanks for watching.